Hey tubers, this is Superdell, and hopefully you're having a great day. On your screen, you see some on streaming devices. And on the left hand side, you got the On 4K Plus. In the middle, you got the brand new On 4K Pro. And then you have the On 4K Stick. Now, the On 4K Plus is 16 gigabytes of internal storage. The On 4K Pro is 32 gigabytes of internal storage. And then you got the 4K Stick, which only comes 8 gigabytes of internal storage. Now, all of these devices can get the job done. But the one thing we were having a problem with is everything said it was out of stock. People was going to Walmart looking for these devices. There was none for a long time. But there is something that Walmart has been doing, and they haven't been, what's the word I'm looking for? They haven't been truthful when it comes to these devices. Um, just so happened, I'm gonna tell you, I've been on the Walmart sites. You know, when I take a break at work, I pull out my phone and I'm going in, seeing what they have, and they always pretty much currently now they got the 4K streaming devices, but every now and then you'll get a 4K plus, and the 4K Pro was just missing. But things are starting to change, and it's not changing the way how we think it's going to change. And things we've been doing is going on the Walmart website looking up these devices. Well, team, I'm listen. You, in order to find these devices, because the websites are delayed, they are behind, and I guess these trucks that's coming in overnight, you know, um, they're not updating fast enough. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. And I'm going to show you my findings. Because over this past couple of days, I've been having great, a great week finding all of these devices currently right here. And I mean all of them, including the original on 4K streaming box, that little square one. I even found that one. But if we go currently, let me drop this down right quick. I know I did a video and I was saying, hey, go to Walmart. You know, you got to change where you're going and things like that. You know, we did all of that. If you don't know about it, I got videos that you could check out on how to do that. Again, you just go up here when you go to walmart.com. You just drop down right here. You drop down and you click on the bottom where it got the home right here. You just click on there and you can put in like a 48210, and it'll give you some in the area, things like that. And you can just select and save and see if the device now it says New Hudson, Michigan, and now you can see if these are in that current store. And as you see right now, it's really not giving any updates. And so this is the thing that we used to do, or at least I suggested that people do. And I'm gonna just do this right quick. Let me go up. Let me do like Monroe. All right, and hit save. And here it is right here. Currently, they have the on 4K Plus. That used to be 29. It's all the way $50 now. But they have that one low in stock. Okay. And again, that's pretty cool. Because they are starting to update. This one right here, I actually found the 4K streaming device. That's this model right here. You know, the little box that you see. You know, some of y'all might be like, oh man, I don't want that, but it still work. Okay. Um, a lot of people, as you see, they be having plenty of these right here. You can go to all the Walmarts and currently find the on 4K. Don't get that full HD one. Always go with the 4K. It's a lot faster. It got a faster processor. But here's the problem. With the 4K Pro, they always say these are out of stock. And here's the thing about it. Guys, you're going to have to get up and go to the store. That is the only way you're going to find them. Okay. I'm gonna tell you the store that I went to. Where are we at? I think it was in Dearborn. Let me see if it comes up. Let me do this. I'm gonna just put in Dearborn, Michigan. All right, Dearborn, Michigan, and I'm gonna hit save. And so when I went up in Dearborn, Michigan, they said these were out of stock right here. Okay. They said, as you see, everything is out of stock. And when I tell you everything, they did have this one. I think they only probably have a couple. Well, when I left, it was only, I left two more. Okay. They had these for the $25 and they had the stick. But here's the problem. They said they did not have the one that was $60, which is the 4K Pro. And I'm telling you, if you want the 4K Pro, okay, if you want it, guys, you're going to have to take that walk in the store. All right, that's just what it is. And I got some goodies right here. All of this came from Walmart, okay? And just to show you, um, I grabbed three of them, okay? So you can do your math. I grabbed three, as you see. And again, Dearborn said that they wasn't in stock. And the if you want the Pro, you're just gonna have to go to your WalMarts. All right, this is the third one right here. Hopefully it don't tip over. Of course, I found the old school one, but they still work. $25. I grabbed that one. I grabbed a couple of those. Where you at? All right. As you see, this one. And then I grabbed some on 4K pluses, as you see right here. I grabbed these, so I got two of them. Okay, and so they are slowly starting to come in. Guys, let me put these back in here before I tip something over and knock myself offline. So these are some of the things that you're going to have to do because they're not updating the website when it comes to this right here. That's just they're not updating it. And just today, okay, on lunch break, I went to one of my favorite WalMarts, and they had five. All right, they had five of the pros, and I started to get them. Right, I started to get like three more, and I was like, "No, don't do it. Do not do it. Just hold off and wait. And just wait and see what comes along." And I wanted to. Something was like, man, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. But then again, I just said I'm going to wait on it. But these are the things you're going to have to do, guys. You're going to have to, the websites are not giving you truthful information. All right. And again, you just have to take that trip to the store. That's the only way. And again, they know what they're doing. All right. Walmart knows what they're doing. I even found a deal on what's that? The on dual mic or something like that. Um, over there in Dearborn as well. Where is it at? And they had it. Where is it at? It's a Bluetooth speaker with mic. Let me see. On Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth speaker, right? If I can spell Bluetooth right. With two mics. I'm gonna just say with mic. All right. And so again, let's see if they show it. Yeah, this one right here. The Walmart that I went to had this bad boy, which is pretty good. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not the best, all right? But for a kid or somebody just want to, annoy your neighbor, they had these bad boys 30 bucks, 29.99. And you see they go for like 50, what was it? They go for $50, and they had it for 29.99. So you might want to check your Walmart for that. I always go to the clearance section because you never know what you're going to find. And these are not the boxes that they come in anymore. They're basically the same color as the streaming boxes, the blue. And I got it. It worked. Now it's not the best. You ain't gonna get that deep bass or nothing like that, but it does work. You can have some fun karaoke and things like that. And so it's up to you. But you just got to go up in the stores. That's the only way you're going to find some deals because on the website, they're not updating. They're not updating at all. So what do you do? All right. Are you waiting online? What are you going to do? But me, if you want that 4K Pro, you're gonna have to go on and let me see on 4K. I'm gonna just say on 4K. All right, that way it should bring up everything. All right, so if you want this box right here, you're gonna have because it always say out of stock, and you're just gonna have to get up and go up in there. That's the only thing I could suggest that you do. Because you sitting on the website, it's not going to happen because they're not updating. They know this is one of the hottest devices out right now, really compared to going against the Google TV, TV 4K streamer, where On took that design and made it a little bit $20, currently $20 cheaper. And they do the same thing. So again, get on up. If you're surrounded by Walmarts like me, and I got more Walmarts I can go to. Where I'm at, I can go to Nova, I can go to Norville. Walmarts are all around me. I can go to Lyons Township, New Hudson. I can go to Livonia. I can go to Monroe. I can go to Canton. I can go to Dearborn. It's so many places I can go, and I can just keep naming them. And there are two Walmarts, in my local town. So let me know your thoughts. Do you agree? Are you going to play the streaming game and just wait on it? Or are you going to get up and say, you know what? Hey, they starting to release these right here. Let me go up and get them before somebody take them all. Things like that. Because, again, the 4K Pluses, they are starting to release them. But the 4K Pro, you're going to have to go up in there and grab it because they are not updating. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Also, click that bell icon. That way you get notified anytime I drop any type of content on YouTube. All right, salute to y'all. Y'all be safe. And I'm out. Peace, guys.